Hey everyone, now we are in the most beautiful 7-Eleven in Pattaya. I'm really pretty sure if you come to Pattaya, you need to buy something for spend or for use. So, I will show you what you can get, and we have budget 50 baht with what you can buy inside there. So follow me. Yeah, okay, right now we are inside 7-Eleven with the budget 50 baht. So for example, this one like a shower gel, the price is only 79 baht. And what else we can get? So you need toothpaste and toothbrush. So the toothpaste here, 18 baht. So, and this one 26 baht with the price here. And the toothpaste, toothbrush, you can even get this 24 baht and 20. So the budget is very easy. Also with the shampoo, Head and Shoulder, 30 baht. And this one you need body roll-on because in my country it's very hot. You not want to make your body stinky, so we get it. 33 baht with mini roll-ons. What else? The shaving. This one 49 baht. So my budget 50 still can get it. Yeah, okay. Our 50 baht with the breakfast. What you can get? Milk 10 baht. And this one ham cheese 32 baht. Whey protein. This one 49 baht. Yes, and another breakfast that you must get it at the morning. So cornflake. This one the small box like this, only for one meal, 12 baht. This one 20. And this one 30. Wow, it's so big. All the cornflake 75. And I think everyone must know this brand, Nestle Milo Cacao, 75 baht. And after breakfast you need energy drink. So Red Bull 10 baht. Huh. And some sweet drink after that. Pepsi, zero sugar, 20 baht. Or maybe you can even get cola, Coca-Cola 19 baht. And after you get it, you need another energy drink is here. And 20 baht for one bottle. And if you want only to drink water, we have the price from start like this one, small one 7 baht, medium one 9 baht, and big one 1.5 liter 14 baht. So now we are in chips zone. This one like a medium box, and this one mini box. Everything like that. This one start from 72 baht, and this one start from 35. This one the big pack. Like this case in America they don't have it because like this one. This is chips by Lay. What do they have? This one, the taste of squid with seafood salt. I cannot imagine how it tastes look like, but you have to try this. And pesto. This one Lay Max. This one with chili monster. Yeah, monster chili. Like they said, the most spicy chili in the world. This one, okay, if you're scared to taste the monster chili, you can have this one, seaweed. Ah, this one, they said this one with the crab. They fly with three flavor inside, so like a spicy, sweet, and sour together. Ah, Pocky, only 21 baht. And they have so many flavor for you to choose it: blueberry, strawberry, peach, and almond. Yes, I know someday you would like to wash some clothes by yourself, so take a look at here. This one, the powder wash, 10 baht. And for all the women or all of boyfriend, this one, if you have period by accident, like you don't know how to get and where to get it, this one they sell 7 days in 7-Eleven. And the price, the price starts from 26 baht. Toilet paper start from 16 baht to 22 baht. Okay, you forgot your iPhone cable, so you can come here. I know we have like auto budget, but if you need it, if you broken it, you can come here and take it here. And the price is 159. And with our 50 baht budget, what you can get here. Mama soup, 14 baht. Yes, that's amazing. You don't need to have a cup by yourself. You just put a hot water and then take it. Yes, and after you get the mama cup, so you can come here, forget hot water, so put the hot water into the cup and then you get your breakfast right here. So now I will take you to look upstairs. I will show you what do they have. What I have to say, after you get the mama soup, you get the hot water. This area for sit. This is the second floor from 7-Eleven. You can have your private area. You can have a chat. You can use some internet. Or in the breakfast, you can even come with your laptop or something. This is outside. Yeah. Cut. I want to talk. Now, what I like and what I dislike is, what I like, in Thailand we have so many 7-Eleven. We use 7-Eleven for breakfast, for lunch and for dinner, for day life and night life. This is what I like. It's always available for you 24/7. What I dislike here, so many people for all the time. If another 7, I'm not sure, but here because they are the most beautiful 7-Eleven in Pattaya. So that's why everyone try to come here. But why not? If you come here for take a look and check it out, why many people say the most beautiful 7-Eleven of Pattaya. Put like, subscribe and comment here. Thank you.